Now we will do Jaanu Sirasan. To do that, bend your right knee and bring close to your left thigh. Now both hands at the side of the body with the palm facing upward. Stretch the upper body upwards. Take a deep breath and while exhaling, bend forward. Hold the legs. Place your elbow on the floor. Try to touch your head to the knee and hold this position on count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly bring both hands upward, straighten both hands, stretch both the legs, do normal breathing, and you can do this in the same way with other leg also.